Can you guys hear it? He's playing The Birds of Feather by Billie Eilish. It's probably harder for you guys to hear, but they're playing Billie Eilish Birds of Feather. Also, there's a dog. I wish he's over. He was sitting over there. But wish you guys can see it. I was just laying down here on my guitar. Oh, here's a bird. I was just laying down here, taking a nap because I'm super tired. So, he was listening to Birds of Feather. Billie Eilish Birds of Feather. I wish I can hear clearly. I can only hear it like a little bit. But yeah, enjoy the beach. Oh, the dog's trying to chase the bird away. There we go. Oh no, he's whining. Why, are you trying to pose for me? Isn't he cute? I don't know the name, but he's cute. I think they're tourists, so I want that dog. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoy the dog. Apunaha.